Why are you not out partying? Did you party earlier? Why would I be? That's a weird thing to say. Like, if you like going out partying, that's on you, but I'm in my 30s. So what I've noticed about partying is when you go to a place where you can't hear any of your friends speak, nobody can really talk to each other, everyone can only get drunk and make a fool of themselves to varying degrees, and everyone takes selfies to prove that they're really living their life. And it seems like it's more about having something to prove. Like, I would rather spend time in places where I can hear my friends and genuinely talk to them, because then I can get to know them and enjoy their company. If I want to drink, I drink with them somewhere I can hear them. And I'm not really much of a dancer. I'm a white girl dancer. Like, half of my family is black, half of my family is white. And yeah, my black side of the family have a lot of musicians and dancers and people who are really, like, they've got rhythm. My white side of the family, not so much. Kiss it. Which streamers are you hoping to meet at TwitchCon? Shut up. Is it bad that I don't know? I don't know anyone I don't like, so it'd be cool to meet anyone, really. Such a boring answer. I'll be right back. Because I think I need more water or something. I don't know. I need something. But I'll be back. Okay?